Pablo Air. With our group of experts in aerospace field and matchless self-developed solutions, Pablo Air will become the top company who's leading the global UAV market. Cities or isolated areas, anytime, anywhere. Through our optimized integrated ground control system, we will take a unique position in drone delivery market that all processes are controlled simultaneously in one system under our solution. Till this becomes all's routine. Pablo Air's every step of today is creating our future. Pablo Air.